listen to and read Dharma teachings, and I understand what to do, but it still feels like just helpful information. Can you offer some insight into this?
Understand, knowing is not enough. With practice, then you will be also keeping your mind easier to control your emotions, basically to be more stable with practice. It will take, just like you physically to become a chef, you need practice. Just like physically you become a sports person, you need practice. It's just like anything else in this world where you become something, you need practice. Just like that, your mind also needs practice. For that, you have to be compassionate towards the little things. If you see something in the news, if you see something on the street like animals, somebody is fighting with each other, is arguing with each other, or see something somebody is in pain, you generate your compassion. You say, I feel sorry for them. If you can say a mantra, if you not just think that, with compassion, I wish they don't fight, I wish the animal or person or somebody, whoever it is in pain, they are free from that pain. Because this is only you can do when you yourself is in no pain. Easily you can do it. So if you can train, or if you get used to it, I think that's better appropriate word is if you get used to feeling compassion, then when oneself is in trouble or in pain, or then it will be more easier for you to control your mind. But if anybody is hitting you, screaming at you, yelling at you, is how do you overcome that? Is think with compassion, because other person is committing sin. A lot of negative wisdom. I feel sorry for the person because he's angry now. Because of that, he will commit a lot of negative sin. So this is how you overcome.